Hey everybody, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today, why is my volume all the way up? I don't know. I'm going to, Ainsley just texted me. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about her texting. It's going to be annoying. Today I'm going to show you guys how to use this thumbnail maker app. I've already made a thumbnail. This is a sneak peek for my New Year's Eve video. But I'm going to go to this video arrow on the top. Actually, I'm just going to close out the app so I can show you what it does. So it starts up. You can do any of these. Channel art maker. You can make like a Facebook or a Instagram picture, but I'm gonna do thumbnail. So you click on this. I already made that thumbnail, but if you don't have any pictures, you can go to background down here and you can choose your own. For instance, I guess I will choose this one. I don't know why. And then I'm going to put the name of the video, the Charlesmas conclusion. Sorry, I'm a very slow typer. So, I made that. Now you can choose what front. I'm going to make it this. Why not? And then you can go and make it a different, like, you can make the black around the edges of the letters thicker so it's easier to see. I do that a lot. You can make it a lot thicker, but you can also use stickers. I don't really like it, but I'm just going to do it here. I'm just going to put something random. I really don't know. All these are locked because a lot of them are just, I don't know. I'm just going to put a check mark, or this. I'm just going to put this. I don't know. I guess I could just put it right there. I don't know, for no reason. So there you go. I made that. This is all I want it to be like. So then you click on the arrow above. Skip the ads. So you click on the arrow above. And you have a couple of options. You can save it to your photos, or you can share it instantly. But my personal favorite thing, which is what I use a lot, is upload to YouTube. So you click on that button, and as you can see, I haven't made a thumbnail for the video yet. So what I do is I tap on the video and set as thumbnail, and then there you go. That is set, and that is now the thumbnail for the video. So let me go on to YouTube now, showing you. If I go onto YouTube, I'm using my spam YouTube account called Blue Spray. I'm going to search it up. The thumbnail still hasn't loaded yet for not YouTube stuff. But if you go here, there it is. There's the thumbnail. It sticks out from all these other ones because that's just the most wintry one for my Charlesmas video. So there you guys go. So that's how you use Thumbnail Maker. Hope that helps you guys that want to use thumbnails, make thumbnails easier. Look around for Thumbnail Maker and wait till you see this right here. Make sure you see that logo, and then you know you've got the right app. That is a perfect app, best app I know of. So hope you guys enjoy. Peace out.